If you need to clean up your MailChimp audience and keep things organized, this video will show you exactly how to archive unsubscribed contacts in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to manage your list, reduce clutter, and keep your audience section easier to work with. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. From there, use the side scroll bar and scroll until you find Email Marketing. This helps you get to the Contact Management area, where you can work with your audience list. Next, select the unsubscribed contacts that you want to archive. You can choose one contact or multiple contacts depending on what you want to clean up. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right people before continuing, because once they're archived, they'll be removed from your active audience view. When you're ready, click Archive. MailChimp will then show a confirmation window to make sure you really want to continue. If prompted, type Archive in uppercase exactly as shown. This step is important because it confirms the action and helps prevent accidental changes. After that, click Archive again to complete the process. MailChimp will now archive the unsubscribed contacts you selected, and your audience list will be cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to archive unsubscribed contacts in MailChimp. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.